Hey guys, so today I've got a quick one. I've got a 2007 Acura TSX. Same thing usually works for a lot of Hondas like Acura TL and everything. It's got a code for p0123, p2552, p0223, all for the throttle system, and this happened after a repair on the AC system. Came from a different shop. They replaced the AC compressor and the kit. So, and before that the car was working fine. There was no fault codes. They checked everything looked fine, so I'm checking it out right now. So first step is checking the codes, make sure the codes are for the throttle system. After that, the inside fuse box, the fuse number 1, the 15 amp fuse, we're gonna check that. That's the one that goes to the control module. If the fuse is good, then we're gonna go on the passenger side. Make sure the ignition is on while you're checking the fuse, otherwise it will not have battery voltage on it. So got the diagram pulled up over here. This is that fuse number 1. After that it goes to the actuator relay, then through the actuator, then to the TPS. So we know we don't have voltage on the TPS. You clear the code, it comes on right away. And especially since it happened after the repair, we got to make sure nothing while the repair was done wrong. So if you look at this connector C251, it's this white connector over here. Disconnect it, connect it back, check the terminals, wiggle it, see if it makes a difference. If everything is good, we got the throttle control actuator right over here. Let's get this right over here. So disconnect it, check the terminals, make sure none of the pins are bent. Maybe you might need to use a mirror to get to the pins for the module. Everything is good, put it back together. And last thing I want you to check is the relay. The relay, so you might have to loosen these 2 clips right over here. I've already loosened them. They're very easy to take off. One of these clips is right here. It just pops in and just pry out. So it's got that relay over here in this area. This relay right over here. So in my case, the problem was the person who took out all the stuff to get to the evaporator, they did not put the relay back in tight. Took the relay out, put it back together, cleared the code, and started right up. So this car came on a tow truck with no throttle response, engine light on and everything, and as soon as you put it in gear, it was clunking. As soon as we put it together, no issues. We cleared the code and the code stays off. Alright. So before, when I would clear the code, even without starting the car, it was coming on. No codes. Proper throttle response. So very easy fix. No special repairs were needed. Luckily nothing electrical got damaged. After you finish it, road test it, and that should be it. But again, if it happens, if all of these things look good, then you might have an actual throttle body bad, a wiring issue in between, or what do you call the actuator or the relay bad. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe. And yes, I am gonna do an oil change on this one afterwards. Thank you.